to my channel. My name is Edith Brimo. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are keeping fit. Are you eating healthy, living healthy, and being healthy? Guess what? COVID-19 cases is increasing on daily basis. Today I have come to show you how to make immune booster juice that will help you to fight the coronavirus, guys. So I have my ingredients here. I'm going to tell you the benefit of all the ingredients that we're going to use to make this juice. So I have my blender here. I'm not going to use my juicer today because I want everybody in the world that is watching this video, wherever you are, if you don't have a juicer, you can use blender to make juice with a cheesecloth. So that is what I want to show you guys today. But I have my juicer. I am using blender. So what do we need? We need grapefruits. Okay, we're going to be using 2 of this grapefruit. We need oranges. We have 3 here. And we're going to be using lemon, ginger, turmeric, and garlic. Okay, guys. So what are the benefits? I love lemon. Well, we always drink our lemon water first thing in the morning when we wake up. So lemons support weight loss, improve your skin quality. It aids in digestion also, and it freshens your breath. So garlic, my favorite. This one, it helps with your heart health. No, it lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol level. Let's look at ginger. Ginger helps your blood vessels for your blood to flow very well. Okay. Turmeric has anti-cancer properties and it helps with your heart. Now, these are the ingredients for the immune booster juice. So we're going to start with the grapefruit. You are going to take the skin out. Okay, let's get the blender ready. Here we go. Here's the blender. So what we're doing, we're going to take the skin out. Yeah, this is how to do it, guys. Then cut it open. Remove the skin completely, if not to be bitter. Okay, so also for the orange, you need to also take the skin out. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna take the skin of the lemon out too. Then after taking the skin of the lemon, chop it tiny pieces so it's easy to blend. Take the seed out, okay? Okay, yeah. Lemon seed out. Okay, good. Now, this is your ginger. A little piece of ginger, that's what you need. Take the skin out for the ginger. Okay, turmeric. We just need to take the skin out also. Nice piece of turmeric. So if you're using a juicer, you just go juice them, but I'm using the blender so that those that do not have juicer, they will also know how to make this juice. This is to fight the coronavirus, guys. Okay, put everything here. Add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water is added, then you blend it. So guys, welcome. This is your first time of visiting my channel. Please click on the subscribe button so that you can have access to my healthy information weekly. So for those that are my followers, thank you so much. Please share this video with friends and family. What I just showed you guys is how to make immune booster juice to fight the coronavirus. Okay, from the news, you can see that the numbers are increasing on a daily basis. Okay, please take care of yourself and your family. Hydrate yourself, drink your 8 glasses of water, and most importantly, make sure you drink this immune booster juice daily this period of coronavirus. Okay, now for those that have juicer, you don't need to use this. For those that do not have juicer, wherever you are in the world, you just need a cheesecloth and a filter and a blender. Okay, order your stuff. The link is below this video. Just click on it and order your filter, your cheesecloths to filter your juice. Okay, let's do it. For those that are wondering, can they just drink it like that? You can also drink it that way. But if you don't want the pop in there, then you have to filter it and take the pop out. Okay, so this is it, guys. This cloth is gonna take all the pop out. Squeeze really good. This is really good. I love this cloth, guys. Without a juicer, you can make this juice. This boosts your immune system. It has anti-cancer property, anti-inflammatory properties. It's good for your heart health, help with weight loss also, and it's good for the entire family, especially this period of COVID-19. This is the juice to fight the coronavirus, guys. Okay, almost ready. Okay. Juice is ready, guys. Let's give it a taste. Wipe my hand. Oh, this is the final product of the immune booster juice. This is very good this period of COVID-19. Please make this juice daily for the entire family. Fight the coronavirus, okay? All right, let's taste it. Oh, this is good, okay? If you are just tuning in, do not forget to subscribe. So till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now.